A little on the full side, babes. Arlene, you always put them in a small pot, and the people will feel like a turner pot. If you are hungry, then you're in the right spot, because this is How to Foodie Nation, and today we're learning all about curry corn. So let's get cooking. So I see, Arlene, that we have all the makings of a good curry.
Yes.
The usual suspects are here.
A good snack. Curry corn.
You'd call curry corn a snack, though?
Of course.
Is it a snack? Is it a side?
It could be both.
What would you eat curry corn with, though?
That's a good question. I couldn't tell you.
Yeah, so
and that's why I said snack.
Yeah, I will stick
would
with you.
snack.
It's a snack, curry corn. Guide me, my friend. Tell me what we're doing.
Okay, well, let me guide you to the stove first.
No problem.
Okay.
Excuse. Thank you very much.
Very well. Right, so you're getting all the turning work today.
That's no problem. I'm ready. I'm ready.
So we're going to cook the curry first. We're going to do some vegetable oil and curry.
Sure.
I will do your vegetable oil for you.
Thank
nice
you.
hot pan. And your curry powder. I like this side.
Okay.
I'm getting more and more accustomed to
You
this
like
side.
the side where I am doing the hard work, and I don't mind. I like hands-on learning now, you know. I'm not afraid of the pots.
Right, so you're going to cook your curry for 2 to 3 minutes here. Stir, give it till it gets a nice brown color.
Sure.
A little darker than its original color. So this helps so that it's not too grainy.
Right. Okay.
Right? Help with your nice curry sauce. I love when you put curry to cook. Just the curry alone.
For the smell?
Yeah.
It's the smell. It's the smell. You know it means that something fantastic is coming soon.
Yep. So we're going to let this go for a couple minutes. And then we're going to come in with all the seasoning.
Okay. Okay, so this is dark.
Dark. So now we're going to go in with our onions.
Okay.
Pimento. I really like this side of the kitchen. Garlic.
The sous chef side.
Yes. Chadon Beni. And thyme.
And it has soaked up all of that good curry stuff.
That's what we're looking for. I'm going to start with a layer of salt.
So you're salting the seasoning?
Yes, making sure it has a good flavor.
Okay, no problem.
Right, so once you've made this into a nice paste, like it is there.
We let this cook down?
Not really.
Okay.
Just once you get it to a paste, it takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Just to let everything cook together and get all the flavors together.
Sure.
Then we add in our corn. All right, so a little at a time.
Yeah.
You could manage turning corn. Try.
We will start a few and we will see. I'm just not trying to have the corn fly out the pots.
It wouldn't fly.
Arlene, you have real faith in me. If a few fly out, that's okay. We put them back.
I'm right here. So the reason why I do it to dry to this point is so that this seasoning, this curry, will now kind of cook up with the corn, and the corn will absorb some of this what we call first flavor.
Okay. This is getting a little on the full side, babes. Arlene, you always put them in a small pot, and the people will feel like a turner pot. And then you come in and do it so effortlessly.
I've had to improvise on small pots for all of my career.
Right. So you're gonna try to fit all this corn in here?
We will. We must.
You sure?
We will get it in there.
Okay. I'm going to have faith in my friend who cooks very well, that she knows. She knows her corn and she knows her space. It have to fit.
Right, so once we fit all in, here, we are going to put a tips of water.
A little tips.
A tip.
Okay.
Tips of water. You're not going to cover it. You
That's
just want to avoid.
burn.
Exactly.
Okay,
so it wouldn't stick. And we're going to cover it and let it steam up and take in the flavor.
And how long are we going to do that for?
We're just going to do that for 5 minutes.
Okay.
And we're coming back with your favorites.
Coconut milk. I see things happening. I see bubbles.
Yes. So it's getting a nice steam. All the seasoning and the curry is inside.
And I get why we have to do it with the curry dry. Because it gets all in between the kernels, so
Yes.
it really soaks in. It makes sense.
I'm glad that you're able to recognize that, because
Yes.
sometimes people often say, why would you do this and why
Right.
would you do it this way? So that is exactly
This is
why I would do
flavor
it.
packed corn.
And you know how I believe in the flavors.
For sure.
Right, so now that all the seasonings and curry and everything cook up, we do in your favorites, of course. Go ahead.
Coconut
Do the
milk
honor.
should be flowing from the rivers as far as I'm concerned.
Is that going to be one of these, you know that cartoon they used to show on TV a long time? So you
What's
know
that?
this? Where the milk and chocolate meet in the middle of the
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. It was like a little alien looking thing.
Yes.
What?
There was a good message behind the
You're
cartoon.
distracted.
but-
It is now I have to think of the name of the cartoon. But it doesn't matter. I get what you're talking about. In my version of that, there'd be coconut milk. Do you need more?
Yes, we're
So we're going
covering.
all
Perfect.
Right.
Right, so with this, we're going to add our hot pepper
Okay,
into
sure.
this. Just drop it in a little section anyway there.
Bloop.
Good. A little bit of salt, because remember we only added salt to the seasoning part. So I'm going to cook it in. And this you can
Any more
adjust
salt
as
on
you
now?
go. No.
Okay.
Better to put a little and add, because you can't take out salt, right? So
Okay.
if you feel like your hand heavy with salt, go easy.
Okay,
So
so we go
here
easy.
we're going to lower this. Nice low simmer
Okay.
until the corn is nice and soft. And then at the end, you taste for your salt again.
Yeah.
And we have some nice fresh chive to pretty up the thing.
Okay. How long would it take though, do you think on average to get
If
this
you
to cook
get a
through?
good corn, it's
Yeah.
about 30 minutes.
Does a good cook?
It looks good so far, but sometimes I'll be honest, you can't tell, eh?
So you
'Cause
kinda
it
just
might
have to
end up-
feel your way
It might
through.
be disguised as a stone. It might be a stone disguised.
Fingers
as a
crossed
corn.
this is not stone corn.
No, but
So
we
you're
should
gonna
be,
check in
we
about
should be
30.
good in 30 minutes, yes.
Sounds good. Because it's a snack and because it's you. You had to present it in the cutest way possible.
Yes, I think this is an ideal serving size.
How many pieces are you making?
3 pieces, so it's
Yeah.
like half of a corn.
Yeah, three is fine, you know. If you're trying to look like you're not trying to be greedy.
Start with 3 pieces and then we could come back. 'Cause
Okay.
We have a whole set.
What I love that I'm seeing though is this thick gravy that's happening on the bottom here. That's
Because
I want.
you need to be able to kind of dip and scoop.
Yeah, that's also why I need your own bowl. So
Yes.
let us, can we dip and scoop?
You can. We can.
No fork necessary.
Good.
Sorry, guys, the sauce is saucy. The sauce is rather saucy and I like it.
The sauce is saucing.
Rich. Now that whole dry curry paste rubbing through the corn, it making sense because this is flavor packed. It's all in the husk. No, good job, my friend. Good job.
Thank you.
This is
What
like your
would you
fingers
have
corn.
this snack with? What would you be doing when you have this?
Lying down.
That's a healthy choice.
Okay, no.
Lying down, scrolling.
But
through
this is
little
a good-
TikTok, watching a little Netflix.
This is a good lime food for me.
Yeah.
I could see
Agreed.
that. I could see in individual bowls, everybody gathered, drink
Agreed, but
something
you don't
nice.
have to wait until you're going to a lime or having a lime to make this.
This is just for you at home.
This is just for me.
This is just for us at
Rain
home.
falling.
Just for you at home. Oh, rain falling and hot curry corn. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you very much, my friend.
You're welcome.
Another one for the books, another winning, elegant take on a Trini classic. Love that. Guys, be sure to try this recipe. And of course, you have to tell us. We love to hear from you. And if you didn't know, now you know. Foodie Nation is on TikTok. So follow us. Go now and do it since you're already with us on YouTube. Be with us on TikTok too. Yeah?
Yes.
Until next time, my friends. Bye-bye.
Bye.